Hey, this is actually a serious video. Yes, I'm aware that I am in a hotel room bathroom. My parents are sleeping and they're like, going to the bathroom. You guys are gonna sleep. And I'm like, okay. But, this is a reading of a poem that I just wrote. And, it's called, I Want to Know You. I want to know you, inside out, everything you are. I will hold you close and kiss your scars. The depths of you, they pull me in. I know you're deeper than your skin. I want to look into your eyes and see all that lies in you. Whisper in your ear that everything is true. Let's compliment each other like colors. You're not like the others. We'll be more than okay. Take it day by day. This feeling will never go away. Breathe me in, I'll breathe you in. What it is that is beneath the layers of you, I want to know it. Every single little thing, every detail. I will trace. You are perfect with my fingers down your arms. Bring you close to me and swear I will never let go. This is more legitimate than the world will ever know. When I say that I love you, it's more than a promise, more than an oath. It is something that in every fiber of my being, I know.